So I found this snow track kit on Amazon for 300 bucks and I was like, we got to do something with this. And I just finished the Z50, so we're gonna put those together. So I designed a plate assembly on the computer using SolidWorks to hold all of the bits and then bolted onto the back of the Z50. And after some measuring, I made my parts all out of form sheet metal, and it took a little time to get all the parts worked in and fitted, and I had to drop all the track components as well to make sure they all fit together. I then sent off all my parts to Send Cut Send, the new partner here on the channel, which I'm pretty excited about. They laser cut out and formed all my parts and got them back to me pretty quick. And if you're looking for sheet metal and CNC cut plastics or even carbon fiber cut out of a water jet, they have really good prices. Hit the link below for an exclusive page where Sparky Moto TV viewers can save 15% off their order. Look what's here, the parts! Stickers. I got candy. Ooh. That looks cool. I like Sour Patch Kids. How'd they know? All right, it's time to weld. Now we're just gonna shoot with clear today because if you didn't know, Rust-Oleum clear dries super fast because A, the rain is coming and I want to keep working. All right, Ezra, look what I got.
Tank wheels.
Tank wheels. You think we can put them on here?
Maybe.
You want to use the parts that I designed?
Yeah.
Okay. Right underneath this good plate. Put yours on the axle. I got the nut off already.
I got mine off.
Yeah, you keep screwing it, see if it goes anywhere. Here, I'll push it out. There we go. There you go.
And don't get your fingers like you did last video.
There we go. Don't need that anymore. You want to put it right here?
Actually, that could work.
That'd be cool. Let's see how this fits. Yeah, it's a little wide.
How is that wide? It doesn't even fit.
Either it's bent a little wide or my calculations were a little off, but that's fine. We'll grind it in. Nice tight fit.
Good.
Just what we want.
Don't want it falling off.
Don't want it falling off.
Because then next thing you know, when you're on trail, you go bye-bye.
Put it in straight. Straight, there you go. Ooh, gotcha. I welded that. Does it look bad?
No, it's kind of crispy.
Crispy? We're gonna hope this little welded on stud that's for the brakes is gonna hold the whole thing. That's my whole plan. It's not a great plan, but it's the one I got.
It looks good. I use the bathroom.
Well, apparently the quality control in China on this product is not, you know, the holes don't line up. Now, unfortunately, we do have to weld these on.
But will they still spin?
No, we want them to spin with the axle. We need to get them to stick to the axle. Wait, you're gonna weld?
No.
What do I wear?
I don't know.
Yeah, I just close my eyes?
Well, I don't know. I want to see.
You want to see? Well, I got to see to weld.
Daddy, can I weld?
Can you weld? Well, we'll teach you to weld, just not right now. All right, we got to check to see if this fits. This was really hard to line up on the computer, so if it's not perfect, I'm not going to be surprised. Really close. Really close. All right, Ezra, don't look at it. These look much better. So some of you may know that you're not supposed to weld zinc without like a mask. I know. I'm holding my breath. I still can't weld real straight. It's a little sloppy. Oh gosh, that's so bad. I hope it works.
How is that bad?
Like it wobbles as it goes around. Well, we got it shimmed up. It's not great, but it'll have to do. All right, this ain't gonna work. You'd have to get this perfect, and then the brackets perfect, and then it not be Chinese stuff that has so much slop in it. So no rear brakes. So try it.
No.
Yeah. We gotta mark out where these gonna go. Grab the other tank wheel.
Okay.
Tolerances are a little off, you know, not perfect. It does look pretty cool.
It does.
Can you smell the paint?
No.
No? We're gonna try that and we'll adjust it here. Remember which way the clip goes?
No, the quick can go flying.
So I put it all together and such a doofus. I welded the chain roller on the wrong side. I flipped it over and welded it on the same side. It was upside down. I was like, forget it. I'm gonna test run it anyway, see if this thing works. Well, I'm glad I did. Because it has a problem. I know they look like they're on backwards scoops wise. I wanted these adjusters out back, and so I was like, well, I'll take them apart and flip the treads around. So no big deal. The Chinese build quality not so great. These 3 wheels are not lined up real great, and it's catching on the little nubbins on the inside, and it's like jumping. So we're gonna have to line it up with shims or something. I don't know. The axle is bent. I think there was some shipping damage that happened. Alright, we got it on the truing stand for wheels. It's minor. Maybe from the welding warped it? I don't know. Tell me in the comments below if you know how to weld that. I botched it up. Alright, this is jerry-rigged of all jerry-rigged here. We're going to attempt to bend it back straight with a ratchet strap. If this don't work, I have to find a press. It's gonna pop. I think it's actually slightly better. This is all I can do. Well, folks, here's R&D for you. My design of this little tab I thought it was gonna bend, well, it's already bending. So I'm gonna weld on more to make it stronger. And we're gonna cross our fingers. And I think these boogie wheels will work better if I put a chamfer on the edge so it helps guide it. But it don't got a lathe, so you know, we'll make it work. Okay, I think it might be working. We try it! It actually works, I'm so excited. And as the great philosopher Iron Man once said, sometimes you gotta run before you can walk. On up the hill to the snow. All right, guys, are you ready for the snow?
Yeah!
I think it might actually be snowing up there.
32 degrees outside.
Here we are, we're in the snow. All right, well, it works, but it has no power. Aww. First, the tracks take power to run, that's for sure. Second, the engine's a little tired. It smokes a little bit. Third, it's at like 6,000 feet elevation, and so, yeah, it's got no power up there as well. So it ain't doing nothing other than flat. Plus, I tried to put it in the deep snow, and it didn't have a ski on the front end, so, you know, Not gonna work. Well, the original plan was to take it to the sand and the snow, hence the Z50 SS. But with all the rain that we've been having here in California, you may have noticed, I've got no sand in any river bottom. I can't get to Pismo Dunes like I usually do because there's a river running out. And with all the rain, I guess, well, we got mud. All right, well, we got my daughter Clara here. And since we can't find any sand, you ready for some mud?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Might not been in the last videos, but I'm in this one.
Clara, are you scared? No. Go for it. Into the water. Oh, you're stuck.
But the Kickstarter goes in the water.
It'll go in the water, yep. Kick it hard. Hey, hit the gas hard. Ah, here we go. No power. Stay on it, stay on it. Okay, it works, but the same problem in the snow, we got no power. And I got soaked boots. It's got no power. Oh, that's murky. Don't go in there, that's nasty.
That was gross.
There you go.
Hey, look, it's soaked.
Is it gross?
I think it's gross.
It's green. You gonna need a shower? It's got no power. Alright, that thing's pretty fun.
But can you agree with me that it's really gross?
It's very nasty water. That's been sitting there for a long time.